Sakay.
We are not duplicating or replicating the existing libreng sakay of the Department of Transportation. In fact, the buses, sir, were lent to the Office of the Vice President, which we lent to the DOTR. So instead of the DOTR renting buses, they have free 5 buses from the OVP, for which they don't pay for the lease of the buses. We just pay for the salaries of the driver and the gasoline.
Ay isa po ang kagawaran ng transportasyon sa hangarin ng ating pangalawang Pangulo na tulungang ibsan ang pasanin ng ating mga kababayan, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. This is the kind of collaboration between government agencies that I advocated to facilitate delivery of service to the public. More importantly, this is one of the crucial ways on how we can attain our affordable, comfortable, and safe transport service for all Filipinos. And now, at this point, to share with us why she decided to support Libreng Sakay, may I introduce to you our Vice President and Secretary of the Department of Education, Inday Sara Duterte Carpio.
Thank you. Please take your seats. Secretary Jimmy Bautista, ladies and gentlemen, maayong buntag sa inyong tanan, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Assalamualaikum. It is a pleasure to be here today at the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange, bringing something we could consider good news. Today, we officially launch hours augmentation bus service, Libreng Sakay program. We hope that through this program, we will be able to provide relief to some of our fellow Filipinos who rely on public transport for their daily commute to work, to school, and to many other places. Actually, Sec, dapat kaming magpasalamat sa iyo dahil tinanggap mo yung mga boses namin, 5 buses namin sa Office of the Vice President. These were buses that were lent ng kampanya pagkatapos ng election day. Wala na silang biyahe, wala na silang ginagawa, nakaparking lang lagi. Ang isa ay nakaparking sa Bacolod, ginamit namin doon sa kampanya. Yung isa nasa Cebu, and one is in Davao. Kaya noong napag-usapan namin ng team ng Office of the Vice President kung ano bang gagawin sa mga bus na ito. Kasi meron din namang nagre-request ng transportation, usually groups that request transportation from our offices. And the team decided na mas makakatulong, kahit 5 units lang ito, mas makakatulong ito if we give support to the Libreng Sakay of the DOTR. And thank you for welcoming us to your project. We launched this program today simultaneously with other key areas in Mindanao and Visayas. 2 buses will be deployed in Metro Manila, 1 in Davao City, 1 in Cebu. This program is a demonstration of effective government and private sector collaboration. These buses were lent to us for OVP use, but as I said, the team decided that it would be more useful if they were deployed in some key areas of the country to support the Libreng Sakay of the DOTR. It will support the national government's program, and at the same time, it is hoped that this meager contribution will translate to daily savings for our public transport riding kababayans. I am hoping that these decisions with the private sector that are willing to spare their resources to provide much-needed relief to the public especially now that the country continues to reel and recover from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic and grappling from the effects of the economic crisis. Sa muli, napatunayan na naman natin na walang problemang hindi kayang solusyonan kung tayo ay nagkakaisa at naniniwala na sa tulong ng ating gobyerno at mga kaibigan at supporters sa pribadong sektor, malalampasan natin ang lahat ng hamon na ating kinakaharap. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa akin at sa buong administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Patuloy po nating mahalin ang Pilipinas. Sukran, dagang salamat.
Pilipinas siya'y aking ipapakilala. Eto na, Inday Sara, here she comes. Duterte! Eto na, Inday Sara, here she comes. Duterte! Di tayo papabayaan, bayan ay aalagaan. Eto na, Inday Sara, here she comes. Duterte! Duterte apelyido, pangalan Inday Sara. Minamahal, tinatangkilik siya ng Pilipinong masa. Mismong ako ang patunay at aking nasaksihan nang siya'y aking makasama sa buong kapuluan. Mas mahalaga sa kanyang sarili, pagmamahal sa puso niya, sumiservisyo sa kapos at mga dukha. Ang mapabuti ang buong bansa'y kanyang hinahangad at ang tiwala ng sambayanan ay may lagay sa kanyang